It's time to put away your 2-pound sledge. Introducing Hilti's new HDI Plus drop-in anchor system. From the stop drill bit and integrated setting tool to the new step plug design of the HDI Plus, this system is a radical step forward versus installation of traditional drop-ins. And to prove this point, we put them head to head. The innovative new plug design of the HDI Plus and the new automatic setting tool with stop drill bit make overhead anchoring easier than ever and can save a lot of time, up to 50%. Installation of traditional drop-in anchors requires more tools to handle and more steps to complete. The additional time and effort required for most drop-in anchors can result in incomplete installation. Now let's break that down. Some installers will do this dozens of times an hour and hundreds of times per day. So these seconds can add up to minutes per day, hours per week, weeks per year. With both FM and UL approvals, the HDI Plus is the drop-in you want with the speed and setting reliability you need. It's as easy as drill, drive, done.